Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, well, yesterday, I received my Ice Cream Beauty bag. Now, I received two Ice Cream Beauty boxes, one right after the other, the same exact box. This happened to me also with what is it called? The single swag box. I don't know why. I got duplicates of that. Now I have duplicates of the Ice Cream Beauty box. So I thought, well, maybe they accidentally sent me two boxes and I'm not going to get the bag, but I got the bag. So let's check it out. See what I got. Okay, the first thing here is called Oakland. Comes in this box here. What is this? An eyeliner, I think it is. It's very pretty packaging. So let's check out this. It's like a pinky color. Go ahead and, I never swatch things on my channel, but here we go. So that's what it looks like. Huh. Well, I mean, I opened it. It's mine now, but I think I might get use out of this. This is pretty neat. Well, once you put it on, you guys, it's on there for good. I guess that's good news. It doesn't smear. It doesn't come off on your finger. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, well, hope I don't make a mistake with that one. I'm not good at liquid liners, so that might be a problem for me. And they're saying that, let's see, palette. Yeah, it is an eyeliner. Does that say what does that say, $4 right there? I don't have my glasses on, you guys. This is not going good for me so far. I think that does say $4. I don't know. But anyway, let me go ahead and move on. Who cares? It's not like I really paid for it. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at this palette. Look at that. I love that. I love the packaging. This is so pretty. It's like that, you know, where it changes when you move it sort of thing. It's called Magic Glitter. Let's see, I'll show you the colors in just a minute. So this is the glitter palette, and I believe they says it is $14, the one on the very top. I want you to be able to see. $14. Here it is. You guys may have seen somebody else already unbox this. I don't know, but I think this is absolutely beautiful. So very pretty. I really like that one. I really love how it's, the packaging is just incredible. Okay, now what is this? The Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. Right here. So I got a lip palette. I got a couple lip palettes from my So Susan beauty box. They're slightly different from this. And then I know for Halloween or something, we got some very weird colors from Bella Pierre. I think it was from the Ice Cream Beauty box as well. We got a one of these, and it was like blue. And in fact, the funny thing is today I have that blue lipstick, and it is a lipstick. I have it on my my eyes. I don't know what to do with it other than to put it, you know, use it as eyeshadow. It was just very strange colors. But let's see, this one looks more normal. So here it is out of the packaging. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. And Brooklyn's over here saying, what could I eat? What could I eat? Here it is. And here are the colors. So they're pretty much, the colors are pretty much colors that I would wear other than that one purple one on the very bottom. Not much for the purple one, but I think, you know, the pinks and the mauves, I think there are colors that I would probably wear. So I'll check, and if I already have this palette, because I know I have a couple lip palettes, and I don't need like 50 lip palettes. So, I mean, if I already have these shades, you'll be seeing this in a giveaway. So that was my, my beauty bag for, I'm just trying to find the little piece of paper because I had to move it because Brooklyn is obviously hanging out, for Eyescream Beauty. And they're saying this palette, gosh, I should have worn my glasses, but I think they're saying this lip palette, I think that says $50. So that's worth $50 right there. Wow. I think that's what it says. I'm so bad because I can't really tell. Oh my gosh. You know, I do need to come more prepared for these videos. Maybe someday I'll get myself together. Anyway, everybody, I have a couple hidden giveaways in a couple videos. I think about 3 or 4. So please look back at some of the videos. Also, I do have a giveaway that I need to definitely draw for. It was for when I got those free dog wipes or cat wipes. They're those big like cloths to wash your pet. And I did a giveaway on those a long time ago. I have not pulled the winner. If you can find that video and you want to enter still, go ahead and watch the video and do the directions. It's not closed yet because I have not drawn a winner. I do plan on doing that hopefully sometime tomorrow or this weekend. Today is Friday. You'll probably be seeing this video go up on Saturday. So Brooklyn is just getting into everything. I actually went and I got an application here for a P.O. box. Because I have been getting, even though I don't have a whole lot of subscribers, I have been getting every now and then in my email from people that want to send me things free for review. And lately it's been quite a number of things. Well, for me anyway, you know, like 4 or 5 things. And I think if I had a P.O. box, you know, maybe it'd be easier if they can just ship them to me. If that continues, I don't know. But, you know, kind of excited. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I won't. Not sure. Anyway, everyone, please leave your comments down below if you can. Also, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.